Hey everyone, what is up? This is Latika and welcome to another video. This week's Alasami shout out goes to Kushnas. Thank you so much for a lovely comment this week. If you want to check out all other social media platforms, here are all the links. Alright, welcome to this week's Fashion Friday video. Okay, so for today's video, I've basically set myself up for a mini fashion challenge. I saw this trend going around recently wherein people purchase the cheapest item from like a makeup shop and just try it and test it out. So I thought, why not do this for fashion? And the website that instantly came into my mind was Myntra. The reason being because I really appreciate that it has like a filtered catalog. ये नहीं कि कोई भी आके वहाँ पे sell करता है. The products usually are pretty good. I feel like the brands are really checked before they're listed there. So I thought it'll be super fun to just go up to a particular category on Myntra, sort the price from low to high and just buy the lowest item which comes and then test it out, wear it, style it maybe even a little bit. Like that was one of the things that I wanted to put into this challenge, that since it's the cheapest item, it'll probably be very basic, so I thought that I should style it up a little as well. So we're going to be doing that, and what makes this fun is that I have gone through a lot of clothing categories. So I have a jumpsuit, I have a dress, I got even like the lowest kurta set. So it'll be super fun. I'm going to be sharing like 5 outfit ideas as well. And on top of everything else, another filter that I kept in mind was that all of these outfits that I put together should be wearable at home. Keeping in mind that's where we currently are. So yeah, now let's get started. So for the first outfit, I decided to keep it very basic, very simple. Let's have a normal tee and some kind of leggings, some kind of pants. Basically a go-to home outfit. So when I sorted the products low to high in the tees category, this was the section that first popped up. Now bear in mind, when you log in, like products keep getting updated, so when you log in there might be a different selection, but this is when I placed the order. So this is the first tee from the brand Must & Harbor. I think I've shopped from it before, so I was really happy to see it, and it looked pretty good as well, right? It's just for rupees 174. The print is good, the color seems nice, and yes, the product has arrived. So I have it right here, and of course we'll be unboxing it and styling it as well. To go with this, I basically thought to find the cheapest leggings. When I filtered, this was the page that popped up. The cheapest leggings here was for rupees 420, and I decided to go for the blue color to pair with this like peachish combination. I thought grey thoda boring ho jayega aur safe ho jayega. Let's go for this blue leggings, and that has also arrived. Okay, wow, at first glance this tee is really soft. Okay, so this is what the tee looks like. Pichon mein jo mujhe main attract kiya tha, this blue pop of color and this nice peachish tone, that has happened. Like that's exactly how this looks. So overall this seems good. Let's see what I'm going to pair this up with. So they feel so soft, and it has come so nicely packaged. This is the front. No, this is the front. Okay, this is the front. This is the brand Gill Athletic, I'm not really sure. And okay, these are pretty cool. Yeah, मेरे पास ऐसी tights नहीं थी in this kind of like finish and this kind of fabric. It seems pretty soft, and of course it is going to be a great pairing with my tee. Now of course when it's a cheaper product, usually ये होता है that when you wash it, how long will it last? Will the color and everything still remain? So that I will obviously be only able to tell you after a while. So make sure, as usual, you ask me in the comments box about it. Okay, this is the first outfit which I have just paired with a top knot and at home with my casual slippers. But the best part about this outfit is that you can wear it like this, or you're always ready for a workout session at home, and then you can swap those slippers for sneakers or your sports shoes. I will have to exchange the leggings. They are a little bit small, so go up in this brand, but I love the tee. I think I am keeping the tee for sure. For the next outfit, I decided to do a category which I love a lot, mainly because उसमें किसी भी combination का उतना दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ता है, and that's jumpsuits and play suits. I filtered the price from low to high. These are the options that popped up, but what happened that these top 5-6 outfits were not there in my size. So I went to the lowest price item in my size, which finally was this wide-legged, little bit colorful printed jumpsuit from Dressberry. It was for rupees 462, so I thought ki theek hai, let's go ahead, let's try it. And at first it's not something that I would usually go for or instantly purchase, but looking at it more and more, I think it can be like a cute summer outfit with maybe like a top knot or like a crossbody and with some sneakers. Okay, interesting. Now the print is pretty fun, like it is something a little bit different, and what I like is the pants. They are really wide-legged, lots of space to move around, be comfortable. Now the only thing, this fabric is not my favorite. It's not very soft. Piche there's a keyhole back, that's pretty cute. And then front is a V-neck, and yes, it has pockets, that's pretty good. It's cinched right here at the waist and yahi pe pockets hai. So this will be good, it'll definitely be fun to try around. Okay, I literally, I think have done a good decision by going out of my comfort zone. Not something I would usually choose, but I feel really nice in this one. It's cute, it's comfy, the material is not the best possible, but it's not bad to wear or irritating to wear. I honestly feel cute, it's really nice to just jump in. Okay, for the next outfit, again one of my favorite categories, especially for the summer, is Indian wear. So I thought let's purchase a full-on kurta set which I can just directly try on. And I went to the category of kurta sets, I filtered it low to high, and this is the page that turned up. Honestly, is category may have done a little bit of cheating. The cheapest one here is for rupees 586, and it had first of all a 2-star rating, and secondly it is that cheap rayon fabric. So I could have ordered this, but then I was like, what's the point of this video? I can clearly make out that it will not be a good product. And usse ke niche I went and saw this Anook printed kurta with plazos, and when I saw it I was like, whoa. It's just 13 rupees higher, so it's not that big of a cheating I did. But I thought that if we are looking for like a cheapest product, then let's find a good product which people can actually, you know, purchase and it can actually be useful. So yeah, I went for the printed kurta with plazos. I had to try it. A full kurta set in rupees 600 seemed too good to be true. And even the design looked so pretty. So it has arrived. It's right here with me. Let's open it up. Let's see if it matches the description and how it looks. Okay, not bad at all. This quality now, like this fabric is pretty good. The MRP does say 2400. Like you can tell with the fabric also that it's a pretty good quality item. I just probably got lucky with a really good sale discount on this. So this is the kurta. Very pretty. I love my indigos in my kurtas in my Indian wear. And of course, beach mein you have a splash of color with a really nice print. And pura hai, yahan pe slit hai, wooden ke buttons hai. This is nice. And we also of course have the plazo pants. Not bad. It's such a colorful, like happy, cheery, bright print in your face. I like it. And again, the combination I think is super nice ki niche bahut sara print hai and then upar kurta simple sa hai, but then beach mein you just have that print again. Can you tell that this is my favorite outfit? Oh my god, so pretty. I mean, it had to work, right? It was love at first sight. I love how it looks. I love the plazo pants. I paired it up with some nude pumps and mirror earrings. I'm in love. The material is so soft, it's so breathable, so easy to move around. Quickly moving on to the fourth category, of course I had to put in a dress in there. Now I don't know why I expected like a glam dress, but when I sorted it low to high, of course it had to be like everyday wear cotton dresses. And this is the page that popped up. Here again in the cheapest Globus one, there wasn't my size. The rest of the three were for rupees 349. So I had the option to choose and I chose this printed t-shirt dress. I thought baki mere style ki nahi hai, but this I can adapt around my style. This is how the dress has come packaged. Also, I rarely go for the red color in like an everyday wear. I usually only choose red for a glam dress. Okay, really nice, really interesting. It's a simple cotton t-shirt dress. The material feels really good, feels really breathable, and yes, this is not transparent at all. This is pretty good. This design might fade away with washing. For now, it seems just as in the picture, just as you would expect. Okay, I've kind of got 80s girls vibe here. This trend is back shoulder bags, and this was a little bit short in length, so I wore cycling shorts underneath. and paired it up with sneakers. Honestly, I think it's a pretty good look, casual look. Like, it's a vibe, isn't it? Now coming to the last outfit, the last category that I was left with was like blouses or tops, not like tees. And secondly was jeans and jeggings wala section. Now I did not want to go for jeans because let's face it, when was the last time that we wore jeans? So I thought let's find the cheapest pair of jeggings on there. Thoda dressed up bhi ho but comfortable bhi ho. So the first thing, the top, oh my god, my prayers have been answered in this category. It is a black top which popped up. So it's like a really simple black almost tee, but because यहाँ पे sleeves पे थोड़ा सा design है, थोड़ा सा flared है, it's now into a top, which I'm not complaining about. As I said, anything simple black with a little bit of hint, I love it. So I was like, okay, this is what the cheapest option came. The quality isn't great. It is cotton and it is breathable, but it's not like the best quality. Like the color, it's not jet black, you can make out. And quickly first let me show you the jegging as well. So it has come packaged. This was the lowest rated which was available in my size. Interesting. I haven't worn like proper jeggings in a long time, I think. So this is what they look like. It's from the brand Roadster. I don't know how I feel about it. I think jeggings में as such कुछ problem नहीं है. थोड़ा like baggy है, which is nice because it's supposed to be comfortable, and I like that it's a darker wash. But yeah, I don't know अगर इतना baggy personally मेरे style के साथ जाएगा. We will have to see that in a minute. And you have an elastic right here to tie it up in place. Bottoms are also not wide. They have like cuffs in place. So this is going to be an interesting thing to style. Okay, I feel like I have managed to style and save this. The joggers weren't fitting me that great up until I rolled them up and then tied the waist right here. Basically, I had to cinch the waist to contrast with this like flowy fabric, flowy sleeve here. And I went biker chic with some biker boots. So yeah, it's not bad. You will just have to think if joggers really suit your style, like this kind of baggy joggers over here. And that was the end of this video. That was all of the outfits. Firstly, vote down your favorite outfit. Which one are you most likely to wear at home? And how did you like this video? We got all of the cheapest products, and did you find any worth it, or did you find like some hidden gems in there as well? So drop down all of that in the comments box. Any other video ideas, suggestions, feedback, anything else, drop them down in the comments box. I'll be talking to you, all of you there, and I shall see you on Sunday with a special Sunday video. Bye.